Hello children, welcome to my channel Excellent Educational Center by Priya Gulati. Today I am going to teach you exercise 4.3 question number 3 second part. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let us come to the question. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equals to 11 upon 30. What you have to do in this question? You have to find the roots of this equation. Now what you see in this equation, it is not in the standard form. Standard form क्या होता है children? ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So our first step will be to convert this equation in standard form. So for that, what I will do, look at the denominators. All the three terms, they are having denominators x plus 4, x minus 7, 30. So I will try to remove the denominators. So in order to remove the denominators, what I have to do, I have to multiply each and every term by LCM of three denominators. What are your three denominators? X plus 4, x minus 7 and 30. What is the LCM of x plus 4, x minus 7 and 30? Simply x plus 4 into x minus 7 into 30, because all three denominators are different. So their LCM will be x plus 4 into x minus 7 into 30. So multiply each and every term by x plus 4, x minus 7 into 30. So if I multiply first term by the product of these three, what I will get in the numerator? 1 into all these three terms product. So 1 into को 1 को आप remove कर सकते हैं. तो you will simply get x plus 4 into x minus 7 into 30 divide by this denominator is already there. So x plus 4. Next term minus minus. This term also to be multiplied by x plus 4 into x minus 7 into 30. So what will be the numerator? 1 into x plus 4 into x minus 7 into 30. So it will become x plus 4 into x minus 7 upon into 30 or upon x minus 7 as it is. This was your left hand side. Now equals to. Come to the right hand side. 11 will get multiplied by product of all these three. So I will write 11 into x plus 4 into x minus 7 into 30. Divide by 30. This is divide by 30. Right children? So this we have multiplied. Now what I will do next? In the first term, x plus 4 cancels with x plus 4. In this term, x minus 7 cancels with x minus 7. In this side, 30 gets cancelled with 30. So whatever remains, I will write that. What is remaining here? 30 into x minus 7. So write down 30 into x minus 7 minus minus x plus 4 into 30, or I can write 30 into x plus 4 equals to 11 into x plus 4 into x minus 4. So 11 into x plus 4 into x minus 7. What next now? I will open the bracket, distributive law. 30 into x, 30x minus 30 into 7, 210. Next, minus 30 into x, minus 30x, minus 30 into plus 4, minus 30 into 4, minus 120 equals to. Now here you see there are three terms, 11, x plus 4 and x minus 7. I will multiply these two terms. 11 ko I will keep as it is. So these two, how will I multiply? Term by term, distributive law. X into x, bracket डालिए, x into x, x square, x into minus 7, minus 7x, 4 into x, plus 4x, 4 into minus 7, minus 28. ये हमने लगा दिया distributive law, term by term multiplication, and 11 is already there outside the bracket. Now what next? 30x minus 30x becomes 0. तो इसको आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. Minus 210 minus 120 gives you minus 330 equals to this 11 as it is, bracket x square minus 7x plus 4x gives you minus 3x minus 28 bracket close. Next, this 11 is getting multiplied with this bracket terms, so I can bring on the left side by dividing it, cross multiply, it will come in the denominator. So minus 330 divided by 11 and this whole bracket as it is. This will get cancelled. 11, this will give you 30 with negative sign. So minus 30 equals to x square minus 3x minus 28. Now bring this minus 30 on right hand side. So what remains here? 0 इक्वल्स टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस 28, ये माइनस 30 आप राइट हैंड साइड में ले आए, सो इट बिकम्स प्लस 30. नेक्स्ट 0 इक्वल्स टू एक्स स्क्वायर एज इट इज़ 3x माइनस 3x एज इट इज़, माइनस 28 प्लस 30 गिव्स यू प्लस 2. अब आप क्या करेंगे, इस इक्वेशन को जस्ट रिवर्स कर दीजिए. 0 को राइट हैंड साइड में ले आइए और राइट हैंड साइड को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट, एक्स स्क्वायर minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. These two equations are actually same. I have just reversed their sides. So what next now? I am writing this equation again. Now come to the next step. This equation I have written again. X square minus 3x plus 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now what do you notice in this equation, children? ये आपका आ गया स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में. Look, your standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This was our motive to convert the given question equation in the standard form. So x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Compare it with this standard form. Right? So if you compare it with the standard form, you will get the values of a, b and c. What is the value of a? Coefficient of x square, which is 1 here. So a value is 1. What is value of b? Coefficient of x, which is minus 3. b equals to minus 3. Remember children, you have to take the coefficients along with their sign. So I have to take b as minus 3. What is constant term? c plus 2. So c equals to 2. So these are the values of a, b, c. Now what next? Write down the quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. Now what I will do? I will substitute the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula. So come to this step. X equals to minus minus, this is formula वाला minus, b ब्रैकेट में डालिए, b का वैल्यू इज माइनस 3, सो ब्रैकेट माइनस 3 प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट b square means minus 3 square. So I write minus 3 square minus 4 into a into c means 4 into 1 into 2. 4 into 1 into 2. Divide by 2 into a. Pick up the value from here. 2 into a means 2 into 1. So this is what I have obtained after substituting the values of a, b, c in this quadratic formula. Now I will simply solve this equation. X equals to minus into minus gives you plus, so it becomes plus 3. Plus minus square root. Minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3 gives you 9. Minus 4 into 1 into 2 gives you 8. Divide by 2 into 1 2. Next step, x equals to 3 plus minus square root. 9 minus 8 gives you 1. So square root 1 divided by 2. Next step, x equals to 3 plus minus square root of 1 is 1 divided by 2. Now this is the expression for x. Now I will consider plus and minus sign separately. First I take plus sign. So what is x? X will be equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So x equals to 3 plus 1 divided by 2 gives you 4 upon 2 equals to 2. Now I take minus sign. Second answer with minus sign. So x equals to 3 minus 1 upon 2. 3 minus 1 upon 2 becomes 2 upon 2 equals to 1. So these are the two values of x, 2 and 1. So what is your final answer? X equals to 2 comma 1. So these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. I hope children you have understood this problem. Bye bye.